making honey cat, by the way. I think you guys heard that, but to say it again because it's a little hard to hear it sometimes. Also, this is pre-recorded in the background, so then I don't have to sit against a wall. Sometimes I forget where the stuff is. I'm not joking. Sometimes I literally will be like, okay, it's there. And then I'm like, wait, where did I put it? I think we all have that one day where it happens. Okay, there we go. Also, guys, we all have different, some of us have different, like, little things. I have a Sunny one. Some of you guys might not have the same, like, little sit as I do. Wait, no, not that yet. Trying to remember what I'm supposed to do. Okay, I'm just gonna make, like, look happy, kind of, but also surprised. Also, I'm adding a new thing to it because a person, one of my friends on here, known them for a little bit, like 3 days. I'm trying my best to make it look good. Also, if you're that person that made the bracelet, comment on this video. I want the people to go on your videos and like comment and like and stuff. I normally put the little thing I just put down on normal size. You can do that if you wanna try to make me, but please do not copy. Unless you're trying to make like a cute little video, you're actually giving the credit to me. Don't copy it unless you're gonna give credit. And then this is, nope. I'm just used to writing hater for some reason. I don't know why. And there it is. Bye bye. Plop.